Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the Google search bar from your home screen on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to tap on the Google Play Store icon on your device. This will open up the App Store where we'll download a special launcher that gives you more customization control over your home screen layout. Once the Play Store opens, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the search icon. This will bring up the search bar where you can look for the app we need. Now in the search field, type Pix Launcher and search for it. Pix Launcher is a third-party home screen replacement that offers more flexibility than the default Pixel Launcher, particularly when it comes to customizing elements like the search bar. When you find Pix Launcher in the search results, go ahead and tap Install. The app will begin downloading and installing on your device. This process usually takes just a moment depending on your internet connection, so give it a few seconds to complete. Once the installation is finished, go back to your home screen and tap on the gear icon to open your device settings. This is where you'll configure Pix Launcher as your default home screen app so it can take over from the standard Pixel Launcher. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section contains all the applications installed on your device and allows you to manage how they function. Next, look for and tap on Default Apps. This option lets you choose which apps handle specific tasks on your phone, including which launcher controls your home screen. Now tap on Home App. This will show you the available launcher options installed on your device. You'll see both the original Pixel Launcher and the newly installed Pix Launcher listed here. Tap on Pix Launcher from the list, then tap Change to confirm your selection. This sets Pix Launcher as your new home screen interface, giving you access to its customization features. With Pix Launcher now active, press and hold on your wallpaper anywhere on the home screen. A menu will appear with various options. From this menu, tap on Home Settings. This opens up the configuration panel for Pix Launcher where you can customize different aspects of your home screen. In the Home Settings menu, tap on Dock. The dock is the area at the bottom of your screen where your frequently used apps and the search bar typically appear. Scroll down through the dock settings until you find the option labeled Search Bar Widget. This is the setting that controls whether the Google search bar appears on your home screen or not. Finally, tap on Search Bar Widget and select Disabled from the options. This completely removes the Google search bar from your home screen, giving you a cleaner, more minimalist look. And that's it. Your Google Pixel 8 Pro home screen is now free from the search bar. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.